veggies. I take 2 tablets of each in the morning, 2 at night, and I'm good to go. Plus, if you call 800-246-8751 right now to order your Balance in Nature fruits and veggies, that lets you talk to a health coach free of charge to guide you with any and all questions. And if you want to save some coin, just go online at balanceinnature.com, type in WABC, and you're going to get a super spectacular special discount. That's balanceinnature.com. Use the discount code WABC.
If you plan on buying or selling a home, listen to this important message from Rex. There's no longer any reason to pay 6% to sell your home. Introducing Rex. Rex sells homes for the lowest fee in the industry, 2% total, saving consumers thousands of dollars per transaction. With Rex, you get a full-service team backed by technology. They don't market homes the way traditional agents do. Rex uses big data and machine learning to attract hundreds of qualified buyers directly to your home the moment it goes on the market. And Rex charges only 2% total, not the 6% commission your local broker expects. Get started now by calling 833-REX-HOME. Rex can also help you buy a home. Your licensed Rex agent will arrange showings, negotiate offers, guide you through escrow, and even get you pre-qualified for a mortgage at the lowest available rate. Rex is with you every step of the way. To speak with a Rex representative, call now at 833-REX-HOME. License number 103-11207-158.
Now is the perfect time to get that old boiler out of your basement and replace it with a high-efficiency Peerless boiler. Look for the brand-new American-made Peerless Boiler Combi, a boiler that delivers the most hot water in the product class and heats your home or apartment. Upgrade today with a 95% efficient Peerless Boiler Combi and start saving on your heat and hot water bill now. Go to peerlessboilers.com, put in your zip code, and find a dealer near you. Remember, Peerless Boilers, America's best-built boilers.
I'm a real person, real voice, and a real face. Even though you can't see it because, radio invisibility. You know what else is super duper real? Geico local offices. A Geico local agent could tailor fit a policy to you, which could save you hundreds on your car insurance. All because Geico local agents keep it real, with real savings and real service. Really.
And there's more. A Geico local agent could help you with more than just auto policies, like motorcycle, boat, and RV insurance. Stop by or give them a call today.
Oh, yeah. I'm a shower curtain, and I do one thing. Keep water from leaking everywhere. So you see why I feel useless compared to Geico, who does so much more. Like, not only could Geico save you money, but they've been around for over 75 years. And they give you 24/7 access online, over the phone, or on the Geico app. And they've got a 97% customer satisfaction rating. They do all this while I have to listen to this chucklehead. Oh, good, he stopped.
Washing my clothes!
Oh, great, an encore.
Geico. Expect great savings and a whole lot more.
Indeed knows finding the right hire takes time away from your business.
Hiring a qualified data engineer felt like a second job.
More job seekers use Indeed than any other site, so there's no better place to find someone with the skills you're looking for.
I needed someone with a master's in computer science and database experience.
Plus, Indeed screener questions help you find your shortlist fast.
Now I'm back to having just one job.
See why more than 3 million companies worldwide use Indeed to hire. Post your job at Indeed.com/hire. Indeed, the world's #1 job site. Source.com score total visits.
Hey guys, your prostate should be the last thing on your mind. But the fact is, the older you get, the more likely you'll have prostate problems, which can affect your everyday life. That's where Prostate Complete by Real Health comes in. Prostate Complete is the result of 20 years of experience as a leader in men's health. The powerful formula in Prostate Complete supports natural prostate function and reduced urinary urges for a better quality of life. Available at Walmart. Visit prostate1perday.com for special offers. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Johnny Francis, some have said, was born in Newark. I say was born in Crown Heights in Brooklyn. That argument will continue. But let's go to the phones about Mama's influence on all of you, you Mama Lukes, you Mashads out there, in terms of determining what kind of love life you are going to have. Let's go to Eli, who's calling from Rockland. Welcome to WABC, Eli.
Hi, Eli.
Hey there, how are you?
What do you think? Did Mama play a role in your life?
Yes, absolutely. Hopefully for the best, I would say, but primarily, growing up, I saw my mother, God bless her, she's a great woman. My father, God bless him, he's a fantastic guy. But, they never really connected the way I thought two people could connect, when they really got to know each other and respected and love each other. So it really did inspire me to see my mother, a good lady, just not really with the right guy. Maybe really want to find a girl to treat right and really respect.
All right, so other than role modeling over what you saw your mother and father and their relationship, did she ever have a heart-to-heart with you as her son and tell you, hey, this is what you got to do if you're going to get serious in a relationship?
Oh, absolutely, all the time. That's I am definitely what you would call a mama's boy. Yeah.
Oh, so you're a Mama Luke. You're a Mama
Yeah. But you know what? Eli brings up a good point, because sometimes people see things that maybe, like you said, they didn't have necessarily the perfect relationship, too. And sometimes you learn that, okay, well, you don't want to be like mom, too.
That's exactly right.
You know,
Well,
sometimes it's a hard lesson.
Obviously, Eli, you had a stable relationship at home between your mom and dad. Unfortunately, so many households, they don't have that. It's generally the mother's at home, the dad's away because he's being told you can't come there any longer. Maybe for visitation, but you're not going to live there any longer, and they have their battles back and forth, and that impacts on kids. Or mamas who will tell young ladies, you're going to have a